Hi, I'm Ted Swan. I'm here for the 2017 SEMA show in the Sherwin-Williams booth, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about the clear coat that's on the two cars that are in the booth here with us. Both cars are actually clear coated with Clearcoat 200, which is our premium general purpose usage clear. Clearcoat 200 can be actually described as a speed clear, and it can bake, depending on your booth, in less than 10 minutes. We would determine what the bake time would be in your booth by actually measuring a couple cars, and what it would involve is how fast they actually came up to the proper temperature. Generally, 10 minutes or less. If you have a modern baking booth, you'd let the car cool down and the car would be ready to polish or do any type of finishing work that you would need. Generally, it'll work on most jobs that you could have in your shop. In other words, it's going to be a general purpose clear. It's pre-flexed. It's a high-speed product, and you could do actually rather large jobs if you're in moderate temperatures. Of course, if it was 100 degrees out or something, and you were painting a full respray like a large car like this, we would have you go with something a little bit slower, but Clearcoat 200 is our modern clear that would be in use in most jobs that you could do in your shop today.